You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button and there's a bell beside it. It's a notification bell. Click on it so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And on the notification bell, you see all. Click on all so that you see all my video anytime I upload a new one. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful handbag. Simple mini handbag. All right, so now this is the pocket. All right, and the measurement is 10 by 5.5, 5.5 or 5.5. All right, while the main bag itself is okay, it's 9.7 by 22.2. Okay, you see 22.2, 9.7 by 22.2. All right, so now I'm going to be working on the pocket, the front pocket. Alright, so top stitch the front pocket. Now, if you have not registered on my Telegram class, you're missing out a lot. Okay, so this is where you'll be seeing more videos other than these ones, where you'll be seeing sophisticated videos that are not on YouTube. So if you like to join my Telegram class, and the training fee is 10,000 naira, you can join me. All right, WhatsApp me on +234 80 365 88365. All right, so this is the handle. We're using this belt. All right, so 14 inches each. So I measure 28 inches and cut it into two. All right, for the handle. All right, so fold in half an inch. All right, that's for the fixing of the hand. So measure like 2 inches. Let me see. Yeah, 2 inches is okay. And also 2 inches from here, from this end. All right, so do the same thing you did to this one, like fix the other hand. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be measuring. This is where to fix my pocket. All right, so I'll measure from here to this, from this point to this. I have 2.5, 2.5. Okay, so and then that is the spacing that will be left. Okay, so now this is where I'll be fixing my pocket, which is 4.3. I marked 4.3. I mark here and 4.3 this side, and also 4.3. Okay, so now I'll be placing my pocket on this very mark. Can you see? Okay, so after placing it on it, I'll top stitch. So this is what I have. Top stitch here and top stitch the other side. top, stitch this other side as well. So turn it to the right side and bring out bring out the two angles. You can use anything to bring it out. You can use your hand, your finger, or you can use anything that would bring it out. So this is my front pocket, and then so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you love it, you can please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any comments, you can comment. All right, so see you in my next video. Bye for now.